Hello, my name is Sonu Kumar, and today I'm going to record a video for the demo. So, my topic is trigonometric. So, I'm writing here, first of all, heading. Okay, trigonometric. Okay, so my topic is trigonometric. So, first of all, you have to know what does mean by the trigonometric? So trigonometric is the branch of mathematics in which we are studying about the relation between the side of a triangle and its angle. We know that in a triangle relation between the angles, sum of the all angle is 180 degree. We know that in any type of triangle, sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. Difference of the two sides is always lesser than the third side. Okay, and in a right angle triangle, you also know that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square and base square. Okay, so in trigonometry, especially we are going to discuss about the right angle triangle. In the 10th class, especially you are going to discuss about the right angle triangle. So first of all, if you want to understand better way what does mean by the trigonometry, so first of all you have to understand about the right angle triangle. So let's start the discussion on the right angle triangle first of all, so that we can understand what does mean by the hypotenuse, which side is hypotenuse, which side is perpendicular, which side is base. Okay, because of the all trigonometry, there are six trigonometric ratio are there. Okay, all are depending, all are the ratio of the sides. Okay, we are discussing one by one each and everything. Okay, so first of all I'm taking a right angle triangle. So let me take the here. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. You can see the vertices of this right angle triangle is A, B, and C. And this is the right angle triangle and right angle at the B. Okay. So we noted this is the angle AB is 90 degree. Angle C we don't know. Angle A we don't know. But we know one thing about angle A and C. One angle is 90 degree. It means these two angles are lesser than the 90 degree. It means angle A and angle C are the acute angle. So I'm writing the relation between the angles. There is a relation angle. There is a relation in the angle. Can I say here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 1. We know that angle some property of triangle. We know that relation between the angles. Now talking about the sides. What is the relation between the sides? This is the right angle triangle. So we know that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square plus base square by the help of the Pythagoras theorem. So first of all, you have to know which one is the hypotenuse, which one is the base, and which one is the perpendicular. For this, we have to assume one of the angle is theta. One angle is given 90 degree. And we have to assume that others, there are two rest angles are there. We have to assume one of the angle is theta. Suppose I am assuming that this angle is theta, angle C is theta. So the side opposite to 90 degree angle means right angle is called the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is denoted by the small h. Okay. Similarly, the opposite side of the theta angle is called the perpendicular, and perpendicular is denoted by the p. H for hypotenuse, p for perpendicular. And the adjacent side of the theta is base. Okay, and base is represented by the b. Or we can say that there is the one side is left, that is the base. So we know that which one is the hypotenuse? Opposite side of the right angle triangle is hypotenuse. Opposite side of the theta angle is perpendicular, and rest one is the base. Okay. So we know that according to the Pythagoras theorem, we can say that a square of the hypotenuse is equal to the perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, we know that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, this is the relation between the side, and this is the relation between the angles. Now, talking about the relation between the angle and side, there are six trigonometric ratio is there. Let's see. I'm writing trigonometric ratio as a T ratio. T ratio means trigonometric ratio. Okay, trigonometric ratio. There are 6 trigonometric ratio. I'm writing one by one here. Be focused here. So first one is the sine theta. Second one is the cos theta. And third one is the tan theta. If you remember these 3 trigonometric ratios, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, we can recall the other 3 trigonometric ratios by the help of these three. Okay? There are reciprocal of the sine theta is cosec theta, reciprocal of the cos theta is sec theta, reciprocal of the tan theta is cot theta. We'll discuss. So first of all, sine theta is written as a perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here perpendicular you can say that AB and hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. And here base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. And tan theta is nothing but the ratio of the sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. So we can say that here perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is AB and base is BC. Okay. So we have find the 3 trigonometric ratio. Okay. Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this one is the third one. Now talking about the fourth one. Let me change the color so that we can understand better way. This is the fourth one. Reciprocal of the sine theta is cosec theta. Okay. Here P by H, we can write here reciprocal H by P. Here H hypotenuse is AC and perpendicular is AB. If you see carefully here, AB by AC. Now I'm writing here AC by AB. Just the reciprocal. Now talking about the fifth number is sec theta. Sec theta is equal to reciprocal of the cos theta is here B by H. You can write here H by B. Here hypotenuse is equal to how much AC and base is equal to how much BC. You can say reciprocal of BC by AC is AC by BC. Now sixth one is tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. Cot theta C code. This is the cot theta. Cot theta is equal to here P by A, B. You can write here B by P. And base value here you can say that BC and perpendicular value is AB. Okay. Just we can recall by the help of the reciprocal. Okay. I want to write something here. Let me write. I can write only in here. So we had discussed all trigonometric ratio. Here tan theta, we can write sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is the ratio of the sin theta upon cos theta. That's why I am writing here P by H, P by H and B by H. If you divide it, we are getting the P by B value. Okay. Similarly, tan theta, we have discussed, and cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of this one, sin theta upon cos theta. You can write here cos theta upon sin theta. So we have to we have to discuss what does mean by trigonometry. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics in which we study about the relation between the angle of a triangle to the side. So if you see carefully, here the trigonometric ratio you are considering tan theta. Here is the angle theta. Here you can see the ratio of the side. Means we are discussing the first trigonometric ratio sin theta. There is a relation between the angle and the side. Okay. So we have discussed all trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the trigonometric ratio at specific angles. We are considering the 5 angles. One is the 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay. So let's discuss one by one. I'm going to erase this one. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the T ratio. T for trigonometric ratio at a particular angle. Okay. particular angle. At a specific angle or particular angle, we are going to discuss sine 30 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 0, sine 90 degree, like this one. Okay. We have to first of all create a table. Let me take the line so that you can easily draw. First one. This is for the trigonometric ratio. This is the 0 degree, 30 degree, 60, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay. Here sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Okay. Okay. Now see here, everyone. So we are going to take here T ratio. Okay. Let me change the color. Okay. Here I am going to take the T ratio. Okay. T ratio downward and theta angle left side. Okay. Means here you can write 0 degree angle, 30 degree angle, 45 degree angle, 60 degree angle, and 90 degree. We are going to discuss there at a 5 angles. Okay. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay. One by one. First trigonometric ratio, we know that the sine theta. Let me change the color. Okay. Here the sine, first trigonometric ratio is sine. Here the sine 0. Sine 0 is, we have to know 0. Sine 30, you have to remember one trigonometric ratio just it. Okay. After that, you can find easily. Especially if you want to solve frequently questions, so you have to remember sine, cos, and tan. Okay. These 5 angle, particular angles. After that, you can solve all type of question. Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, and sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Okay. If I want to know the cos value in this particular angle, we have to just reverse it. Okay. Cos value. Cos 0 is equal to sine 90. It means here you can put 1. Cos 60 is equal to this one. For the sine 0, you are going to from the left to right. For the cos value, you have to move from the right to left. Here 1, here root 3 by 2, here 1 by root 2, here 1 by 2, here is 0. Okay. So let's write here. So we can write here root 3 by 2, cos 30. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, and cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay. Suppose I want to find the tan theta value. So tan theta, we know that what tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. We have to know sine theta value, we know that at a particular angle, 0 degree and 0 degree. Cos theta, we also know that at a 0 degree. So you have to, if you want to find the tan theta degree value, tan at a 0, we have to divide sine 0 by cos 0. 0 by something is equal to always 0. It means you are getting the 0 answer. Tan 0 is 0. Cos tan 30 degree 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. After division, you are getting the 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is equal to this is sine is 1 by root 2. Cos is also 1 by root 2. If I divide 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, we are getting the answer 1. And sine 60, sorry, tan 60 is equal to sine 60 upon cos 60. After division, you are getting the root 3. Now, here is the important. Tan 90 degree is equal to sine 90 upon cos 90. Sine 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. When we know that when any number is divided by 0, it means we can say that this is the not defined, okay? Or we can say that this is the infinite. You can't find the value of the 10, 90 degree, okay? Now, talking about the cot theta. As you know that tan theta is equal to sine upon cos. Sine theta upon cos theta. The cos theta is a reciprocal of the tan theta. Means you can take here cos theta upon sine theta. Or we can say that tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal. So we can say that here 1 by tan theta. Okay. We have remembered like this one. Tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. And tan theta is also reciprocal of the tan theta. So you have to just take the reciprocal. We are getting the cot theta value. Cot value. Let me change the color. Okay. Now the cot value. Cot value. Okay. Cot 0. Reciprocal of 0 is 0 by 1 means you are getting the 1 by 0. And a 1 by 0 is infinite means not defined. 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is we can write 1 by 1. Here root 3 by 1, we are getting the 1 by root 3. Here 1 by 0 means infinity, infinite. We can write here 0 by 1 means 0 by 1 means you are getting the 0. Okay. The tan theta is reciprocal of the cot theta. You have to just take the reciprocal of this one, you are getting the answer. Now talking about the tan theta you have discussed. Now talking about the sec theta. Sorry, you have to take the sec theta, you have to take angle from here. Okay, sec value. Sec 0 value is the reciprocal of the cos. We know that sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, or 1 upon cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Okay. Reciprocal of the sin theta is cosec theta. Reciprocal of the cos theta, sec theta is cos theta, or cos theta reciprocal is reciprocal of the cos theta is sec theta. Okay. So we can just take the reciprocal of this one cos theta. Okay. I have to write cos here. Cos 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. We can take the reciprocal of this one. You are getting the same answer 1. Root 3 by 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. And reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. And reciprocal of 0 means 0 by, I can write any number. So I can write here 1 by 0. And when 1 by 0 is, you can write infinite or not. Okay. And last one is the reciprocal of the sine theta. Sine reciprocal, you know that cosec. We have to remember the reciprocal. The sine is cosec. So cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to, we can write here 1 by sine theta. Yes, sine theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Okay. So just you have to take the reciprocal of this one. Okay. Sine 0 means cosec 0. Cosec 0, we can write 0 by something. Okay. 0 by something means 1 by 0 means infinite. Okay. Not defined, you can say that. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. And reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. Okay. You have to remember this table very quickly. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now, we are going to discuss about the identity, trigonometric identity. We have discussed what does mean by the trigonometry. We have discussed the trigonometric ratio. We have discussed trigonometric ratio at a specific angles. Now we are going to discuss about the trigonometric identity. After that, before discussing the trigonometric identity, first of all, you have to know the what does mean by the complementary T ratio. Okay. After that, we will discuss the trigonometric identity. So let's see. Complementary T ratio. Complementary T for trigonometric ratio. Okay. Sorry, not here. Okay. Trigonometric ratio. See, we know that sine 90 degrees. See here. We know if you see carefully in the last slide, there is a table. If you see carefully, sine 60 degree and cos 30 degree are same. It means these two angles are complementary. These two ratios are complement to each other. It means we can write here sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. How? See here, if you add these two angles to 90 degree minus theta plus theta, you are getting the how much? Theta 90 degree. It means these two angles are complementary. Okay. Whenever you see the two angles are complementary, complementary angles means if the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, it means the both angles are complement to each others. The sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos is complementary of the sine. Cos 90 minus theta is also sine theta. Okay. This is the one pair of the complementary T ratio. Now talking about the other type like tan and cot and secant cosec. Tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. If you see the table, tan 60 degree and cot 30 degree are same. Okay. Because of the both are the complement to each other. 60 plus 30, 90. You can say that sum of the two angle is 90 degree. It means the complement. Okay. So tan 90 minus theta is called cot theta and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. This is the another. Now talking about the sec and cosec. So we know that sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta and cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta. Okay, the sec 60 degree and cosec 30 degree are same. Okay, if we compare the tables, okay, we are getting the same answer. That's why you have to remember this one. Okay, let me put in the bracket box so that you can easily remember this one pair, this one another, this one is the third one. Okay. So sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, cot 90 minus theta tan theta, sec 90 minus theta cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta sec theta. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the trigonometric ratio, and this is the very important. So I'm going to erase it. Okay. T identity. T for trigonometric identity. Trigonometric identity. Okay. There are three identities are there. First one is the, let me change the color. Okay. First one is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can find from this identity sine theta value, cos theta value. Let me see how we can find. See here. We can find sine theta value. Actually, you are getting the sine square theta value left side and other trigonometry ratio left side, right side, or left right side already given 1 plus cos square theta is going to the left side, right side, it will become minus cos square theta. So we can find here cos theta value. Cos theta, sorry, sine theta value. So sorry, let me erase it. There is the option for erasing. Okay, we can find here sine theta value. Sine theta value is equal to how much? Under root 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Similarly, we can find the cos square theta value. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Here we can find the value of cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. Now talking about the other trigonometric ratios, that means the second trigonometric ratio. Second trigonometric ratio is relation between the sec and tan. First is sine and cos, sine square theta plus cos square theta is given. Now the second is the sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. From here we can find the sec theta value, means sec square theta value 1 plus tan square theta. How we are getting that 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta in left side, and minus tan square theta is going to the right side, will become plus tan square theta. It means one already given, 1 plus tan square theta. From here we can get sec theta value is equal to under root 1 plus tan square theta. From here, we can also calculate the tan square theta value. Minus tan square theta is given. We can shift this minus tan square theta to the right side, it will become plus tan square theta. And minus going to the left side, it will become minus 1. It means sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. We can write tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. From here, we can find the tan theta value is equal to 1 sec square theta minus, okay. And last one is the third trigonometric ratio, is the cosec square theta minus cot square theta, means the relation between the cosec and the cot. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, can find the cosec theta and cot theta from here. So we can find here cosec, let me read it. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus minus 10 cot square going to the right side, it becomes plus cot square theta. Okay, from here we can find the cosec theta value is equal to under root 1 plus cot square theta. Now, see here. Another value cot square theta. How we can find the cot square theta? Cot square theta is left side in the negative side. If we transfer this cot square theta to the right side, it will become plus cot square theta. Minus is going to the left side, it will become minus 1. It means cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Or we can say that cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, so here I can write what? Cot theta is equal to under root cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, so we had discussed all all trigonometric chapters till now. Okay, so we had discussed from the starting what we have discussed. What does mean by trigonometric? Trigonometric is a branch of mathematics in which we are discussing about the relation between the side of a triangle and the side of the triangles and the angle. Okay. We have also discussed how we can find, how we can identify which one is the hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base in the right angle triangles. We have discussed relation between the angles of a triangles, okay, angles of a triangle, and the relation between the sides of a triangle. We have also discussed how we can relate the relation between the side of a triangle and the angles. There are 6 trigonometric ratio: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Okay. After that trigonometric ratio, we have to also we will also discuss what trigonometric ratio at a specific angle like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay. After that we had discussed complementary trigonometric ratio. Okay, means sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta cot theta, cot 90 minus theta cot 90 minus theta tan theta, sec 90 minus theta cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta sec theta. Okay, after that we have discussed the trigonometric identity. Okay, there are 3 trigonometric identities are there. So we had discussed these all trigonometric identity. This one is the first one. Let me write. Yes, this one is the first one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This one is the second one, sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. From which one we can find the others also, sin theta value, cos theta value from the first one, sec theta value and tan theta from the second one, and from the last one we can find the cos theta and cot theta value. Okay, cos square theta minus cot square theta value is 1. Let me. Okay. So we have discussed full chapter of the trigonometry. Okay. Okay, then bye bye everyone. I hope all of you are enjoy the sessions. Okay. Bye bye.